we also need to ensure that we do have other water sources so that whenever there are significant changes in the condition of these two major sources in Angat ecosystem, it's being affected because of the climate change. It's being affected by El Nino, wherein the volume of water is basically affected, and during La Nina, the water quality is affected because of the condition of the watershed in Ipoh. On the other hand, in Laguna Lake, we are being affected by mainly on the water quality. So what I'm saying is that while we do have enough water on normal condition from these major water sources, we need to prepare on any eventuality that there will be some episodes wherein the volume or the quality of water are affected on this raw water quality.